Okay, I am going to do a magic trick. Click. Now I'm going to get a soda in my hand. Now I'm the WWE champion. Now I'm going to make it disappear. Gone. See? Nowhere. Now I'm going to get a dog. I have a dog. See?
It's not real, but okay.
Now I'm going to make a friend appear.
Now, I'm gonna make my sweatshirt come off. Shirt's off. Now I'm gonna make my other friend appear.
Now I'm going to be playing the piano. I'm done. Now I'm going to be Rey Mysterio. Now I'm going to make this video end.